Alright guys, I'm gonna make a quick video about this oil pressure switch upgrade. Um, Thank you for Lawn Racing for making this cable and making it possible. Let's start with the parts. Is the cable, actual cable sent from Lawn, and I bought Performance Packs oil pressure switch. This is an O'Reilly's part number. Is Papa Sierra 657. All right, and before taking the sensor out and doing anything, I'm gonna work on the pins, and this is what I got so far. Give you some light. There you go. So this are the two ECM, DME, whatever you want to call it, harness cables. The bottom one, I took it off, but we don't need to. The top one, it has the actual pins that you have to switch. First I remove this little plastic so you can actually remove the cables, and from the back I remove this part so I can actually pull the cable and change it. So sorry, let me try to point it out to you guys, give more light. We're gonna be switching this pin right here. You count on the second row, 1, 2, 3 from the left, and we're gonna place it here in this empty spot. I'm gonna give you the numbers for them, and I'll do a screenshot of a little diagram. So we're gonna switch that because on the performance car, you actually have that cable here, so you can read actually the digital oil pressure switch. Let's call it that. All right, I'm gonna switch it out and do some edits and put the how to do it on it, and continue with the video. Okay, so we're gonna insert this tool. It has, after you remove all these little parts I told you, you're gonna insert this tool. You're gonna see like little clips that will actually just hold the cable in. You insert this tool, and then from the back, remove the cable. I use some pliers. You can do it here so you can see it. Yep, there you go. So insert the tool, find the cable, and just pull it back. There you go. Get it out. There you go. You can, once it's halfway through, you can remove the tool and just get the cable out. Get that bad boy out. One thing I want to show you, those empty spots, they have like a protector so humidity and all that stuff don't get in. So since I'm switching the pin, might as well put that protector on the other empty hole, just FYI. All right, here's the harness. We already did the repin of the ECU. So the harness is gonna have 3 parts or 4 parts with this cable, and this is gonna go to your IMRS sensors right in the back of the manifold. I'll show you in a second. If you still have them, you're gonna use both, like a small bypass. And this one, of course, is gonna go to the sensor, and the yellow cable to the single cable that the oil pressure sensor has. Right now it's time to change the sensor. Right here on the alternator. Oh, my light's not. Right here. My OEM one was it's 22. So I'm gonna remove the old sensor and place a new one. All right, once the sensor is on, all right, in, plug the sensor and then route the harness. Follow the alternator harness right here. Gonna follow it, and then you're gonna put some straps somewhere around here. Then you're gonna follow it, route it through here as well. Right through here, and follow the injectors harness and the coil harness all the way to the back. A little space right here, and toss the cables all the way to the back, and then plug them into either of your manifold runner sensors. Even if you're active, you can plug them in and plug one to the sensor and another one to the harness, and they will still work.